Hello and welcome to RBC Business Update. I'm Ivan Gronский. Thank you for joining us. News of fires on refining plants in U.S. states, Texas and Louisiana caused light sweet futures to soar, once again reaching $60 a barrel. The oil companies claimed the fires caused limited damage. Today at 13:30 GMT, the United States should release its GDP forecast for the second quarter. Most analysts expect a drop of 0.3% on the previous quarter, GDP growth at 3.5%. Russia's Ministry for Economic Development and Trade said the trade balance for the first half of this year was $59.6 billion against $38.1 for the corresponding period last year. Russian politicians and economists interpret differently the chief auditor's comments on stabilization fund money being invested in domestic equities. The day before, chairman of the accounts chamber Sergei Stepashin announced that $35 billion received from high oil prices could be invested in the internal market. Though the market is much more profitable than in the West, it's also riskier. The Stabilization Fund was created in 2004, somewhat akin to the Future Generation Fund, which exists in most oil-rich nations. Norway, from where Stepashin has just returned, for example. Fingers could be pointed at other firms accused of involvement affairs that befell Italy's one-time giant Parmalat, Wall Street Journal said. They're reported to include banks and investment companies. The paper says that several companies, Citigroup, UBS AG, Deutsche Bank and Morgan Stanley, could be among them, charged with equity fraud. Chief executive of Daimler Chrysler, Jordan Schramm, announced he's leaving his post. He'll be replaced by Dieter Zetsche, previously heading the Chrysler company. The news sent the company stock 9% higher. European indexes gained 0.5%. Optimism investors' share is supported by excellent corporate results and strong economic performance. Most analysts expect a small drop on Friday from the trading in the US and Russia. Russia's index RTSI needed just 2 points to set a new absolute benchmark high, but upcoming weekends promote profit fixing. And that's all for this moment. Stay tuned to RBC Business Update. Ура!